Hey everybody, Mitch here. Going to do our end of day review. If you were on stream, you probably caught this afternoon kind of drag, I guess you would say, where we pretty much chopped and went nowhere after the stream ended, which is the kind of the end of this red box here is when Christian took over. My diagnosis for the rest of the afternoon was kind of grindy chop in this range. As long as you're not kind of under 75.80, you are likely going to get up and stuck against this kind of 90.95 area. Obviously, we've got some action after the bell. We did close at 75.90.75 right here. This was our actual closing spot in cash hours. So we really did not go anywhere. We kind of set that high. We drifted down kind of into the last hour of the day and then got the drift right back up as expected. So I think the dynamics here were very clear. It was obvious from an early time, even back in the pre-market, if you covered a certain strike, where were you likely to go next? If you covered that one, where could you go and where might you not go? So you could have taken a really low risk trade, shorting this kind of key resistance, whether that was 5 points, 10 points, what have you, as we worked into it, and saying, I'm just targeting the bottom of this range. At best, you probably got about a 14-point trade. At worst, you got a 10-point trade, maybe a 5-point scalp on heavy size. Shorting that kind of key resistance, knowing that the straddle was reduced and we were less likely to meaningfully go higher from this point, was kind of an easy trade. I wasn't interested in taking this long on stream because the best long, the clearest long to me would have been here before London close, holding this kind of key balance strike on the day around 75.50. So capturing the potential, 25 points here, another potential 25 points here was more attractive to me than trying to catch, a 15-point move. Even though I just said the short would have worked, I'm saying if you wanted like a really low risk short, that was probably the best one in the afternoon. But for me, I just had no interest in sitting and chop. If I'm going to do that, I'll put on like a butterfly trade. And today that just didn't bear out. So really strong day on stream. I think we covered this at great length. I think some people maybe heard some things they hadn't considered before about where the benefit lies in using this data. It's not just about making the best trade. It's about knowing the trades to avoid. And I think if you know kind of how things are shaping up, you'll know not to short the top here because there's dynamics that were just kind of supporting us. And the real risk would have had to have been something obvious, some big flow coming in the market, and it just never came. So hopefully we will see you guys back on stream tomorrow. Otherwise, stay tuned in the Discord tonight and tomorrow morning for the pre-market plan and the overnight plan. Otherwise, we'll see you guys here and see you on stream. Take care.